You've provided your students the grades on their midterm assignments, but you have some other assignments that you need to add in as well, such as participation, homework grades, and anything else you have in your syllabus. To do this, you'll want to go to your Grade Center, Full Grade Center. In the top left corner, you'll select Create Column. Here we'll need to provide a column name. I'm going to make this column set for participation in the course. Next, score, but I'm going to set the secondary display to letter. Your students will only see the score, as the primary display is the only one visible by the students. The secondary display is only shown in the Grade Center for the instructor. Under points possible, I'm going to enter 100. As always, if I have a rubric, I have the ability to add it right here. All of the settings under the options, by default, are just fine, so you don't want to change any of them. Go ahead and select Submit. Based on that green notification bar, you'll see that the column has been created and it is available here. To enter a grade for your students' participation, you're just going to select the cell, enter the grade, and push Enter. You'll see it pops you right to your next student, so it's very simple to enter in grades. If you'd like to organize your Grade Center, you can select Manage, Column Organization. Maybe you don't care to see your student's username, their student ID, the last time they accessed the course, or the availability. You just want their first and last name. You can select the checkboxes next to these columns. Under Show Hide, select Hide Selected Columns. And then push Submit. And you'll see that these changes have now been reflected. So if you have more columns that you need to add, you won't have to continue to scroll through because you've removed some of the clutter that was filling your Grade Center. In addition, there is a Work Offline feature. We recommend at the end of every semester, you download your Grade Center. What this does is it exports your Grade Center to an Excel spreadsheet. You can then save this for your own personal records. In addition, if you are traveling and you need to report grades, you can download the Excel spreadsheet so you have all of the grades with you to submit the final grades to WebAdvisor. To do this, you'll select Work Offline, Download. Here, you'll have the ability to determine what data you'd like, the full Grade Center, just one column, or just user information. I'm going to select the full Grade Center. Under the delimiter type, tab is fine, and include in hidden information, you can select No. If you'd like those availability columns that we hid, or the username column that we hid to appear, you'll want to change this from to Yes. Then you'll just need to select your download location. Where do you want this to go? I want it to go to my computer. Next, push Submit. And you'll see the data has been saved to a file. To download the file and work offline, click Download to open the file. We're going to select Download. And here is the name of the file, Grade Center Sample Full Grade Center with the date. I'm going to rename this to match my course name. This is so in the future if I'm going to look for it, I can easily navigate to it. I'm going to select Save. You'll notice in the bottom left-hand corner, the Excel spreadsheet has been downloaded. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to select Yes. In here you'll see we have all of the columns, as well as the values for each column. I'm going to X out of this, because it's now saved to my computer, and select OK. This will bring you right back into the Grade Center, where you can add more columns and continue to build out your Grade Center. You now have enough information to head on over to our quiz, earn those knowledge points, and complete the mission. Good luck.